mess.
Oh my God,
because
look at my hair.
we are a mess, basically. But welcome back to our channel. So today we have got the keys to our new place. We're super excited about that. So we thought, why not film a empty house tour?
I'm so excited.
Yeah. So we're going to take you guys along with us and show you the kind of ideas, what we're going to do to the place,
Yes.
what's going to go where, whose room's who, etc. etc.
And Zel's still got a cough.
I've got a cough I've had for like bloody weeks. So let's just get on with the video.
Okay, so where should we start? Should we start with the first door?
Okay, so behind us is the front door. So this is what it looks like as you like walk in. So it's just kind of like a hallway, and you can just do all this
See everything.
Yeah, party in the hallway. So the first door I'll show you. So this is going to be mine and Ayse's office room. We're going to we're going to turn it into an office. We're going to get two like tables, one there, facing each other. We thought that would be quite cute. So this is what they used this room as, the people that were here before us, didn't they?
Yeah.
So we thought, oh, that's a cool idea. So that's what we're going to do. Hopefully that makes us more productive and more organised.
And it's literally just as you walk in.
So that's perfect. Yeah. So
So you
that's
can keep all like parcels and
Yeah.
do you know, just like YouTube stuff in that room kind of thing. So then, if you follow me along, I will show you what's in here. So in here is going to be, well, it is our utility room, which is where we keep all the. We're going to keep the washing machine, the dryer, and all the kind of cleaning stuff. So yeah, that'll be quite cute in here. Plenty of room. There's also a toilet, downstairs toilet. So that's what this room's going to be, which is nice. It's nice that the washing machine and stuff's going to be just put away. Yeah. Okay, so and then this room is Ayse's bedroom. So if you just want to take a look in there.
Oh my God, is there spiders?
No, so
No, you're going to shut me in and I'll cry. Literally, it'll give me
No, so basically this is going to probably be where the shoes go.
Get a little shoe rack.
We're going to get like a shoe rack and stuff for all that, because we don't really want the shoes on show, because that's how we've been now, and it just looks messy when you walk in. So the main part of the house, why we love it so much, is the kitchen / dining room. So this is the very echoey because it's empty. So this is our new kitchen. Ta-da! So this is our kitchen. It's very like spacious compared to our other house. I don't know if you saw the house we was in before. So the kitchen's a lot bigger, which is so good for us because obviously.
And there's so many cupboards. Literally, like so
You don't realise how much storage space you want until you don't have it. So
Yeah.
and then and this is really just having a cough a bit. And this is really cool because this is filtered water, and I thought, oh, that's quite cool. And then you can't drink from that one. So yeah, so this is our lovely kitchen, and then over here we're gonna put like the table and chairs.
Yes.
So look at that side.
We're gonna turn this into a dance floor.
Yeah, just moving the
dance
away.
Not really.
But yeah, we've got like this really cool double window door thing. That's what we had in the other house though.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to get a table and chairs to go here because, you know, it's a lot of room. It's going to be nice just to kind of have food here, just chill out, you know, have tables and chairs.
Big,
Whilst the boys cook us dinner. Okay, so to get to the living room, there's actually two doors. So you can go through the kitchen or the main doors, which will go up that way so then you can see. So this is the living room. Oh, spider! It touched your hand.
Touch hands.
It was a little spider.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, so this is the living room. I do wish it was white, but grey's fine. I'm not hating
Nothing
it.
cozy.
Yeah, it looks cozy. So yeah, this is the living room. Probably gonna have the same sofa and everything that we had in the old house.
Which is perfect because our sofa's grey, and so our
kind of goes to the walls. So yeah, there's not much to say about a living room, but this is what the living room looks like. One thing that really, really irritates me is that,
which is the smallest thing in the world.
but it's just there. It annoys me. And then if you come out of here, it leads back to the main bit again. Back to the front door. Come upstairs and join us up here. MTV, welcome to our cribs.
Welcome to our second
home tour.
Second home tour.
Okay,
Jesus.
let's start off into the best room in the house, which is mine and Ben's bedroom.
We'll see about that.
Okay, so as you come up the stairs, if you take the right, you come into mine and Ben's room. So this is the room. There's not much to it at the moment. It's quite spacious, which is nice. So we're going to probably put the bed somewhere about here. and then the TV there and some drawers. I don't know really. It's a little bit of an awkward shape because of this wall here, but we're gonna make it work. I love the room and it's just nice and cute. Cute. But yeah.
Favourite words.
Then beside our room, there's this spare room. It's just like a normal size spare room, which is quite nice. Not too sure what we're going to use this room for yet, but likely to be storage,
Sunset
but we don't know.
Amazing.
Look at the sunset, it looks so good. Maybe we should have this room just to look at the sunset. And then, straight ahead of mine and Ben's room is our bathroom, because Zeliha has an ensuite in her bedroom, don't you?
I do.
Okay, so this is what our bathroom looks like.
This is where she'll go for a poo. There we go.
This is where she'll shower and wash her pits. And this is my sink where I
This is where she'll brush her teeth.
Yeah, so it's just like a nice little bathroom, which I really like.
Cool. Okay, so moving on to the next room. This room will be mine and Ayse's filming room. This is where we're going to keep rails for new clothes and where we're going to film most of our videos. But yeah, so it's just kind of just like a nice sized room. It'll be cool to keep our equipment in here and just like film in here.
Space.
Yeah, it's just nice to obviously have a different room for filming than, you know, filming in your bedroom and stuff like that. I mean, we did in the other house as well, so it's just nice to just do it like that again. So yeah, just nice little another room. And then here is mine and Ben's room. Sorry, I had to make that joke. No, this is the boiler room. Yeah.
That's like such a big space for that.
I know.
Just that boiler
It
room.
is. So this room is mine and Ben's room. So if you just come in, this is our room. I have no idea how, you know, we've got ideas how we're planning to do it, but obviously you've got to wait for the video for that, so give it a thumbs up if you're excited to see how we transform our rooms. But yeah, so this is our room. This has got to go. I don't like it. Obviously, to me, it just looks like wine glasses upside down, like, I don't know. But
It's
yeah,
cool though.
it's different, yeah. But I just want basic. I'm such a basic girl. So yeah, and then this is the ensuite. As I said, this is my loo. This is where I go to the toilet, and this is my sink. It's also got a filtered tap as well, which is cool. I don't know how to use it, but that's cool. And then this is our shower, which is really pretty. I like it. I like the fact that it's like black and white in here.
Yeah, your bathroom's really nice. It just looks really like, I don't know, I like it. I think I prefer your bathroom.
Do you? They're both nice.
Yeah.
They're both nice, yeah.
It's similar.
Yeah, and my theme obviously is going to be black and white in here. Thinking about getting some like chest of drawer things here to put all our stuff on for the bath. But yeah,
Stuff on?
Yeah, stuff on.
You said stuff on.
Stuff on then.
Stefan.
Ow, you winded me.
Right, let's go
But
down.
yeah, so if we just go back downstairs.
Okay, so this is the garden. We'll let Ben go out and film that.
So that's what our garden, and then
what is it?
cutting, but Ben's going to get on that, aren't you, Ben? And that's Ben's ball. Yeah.
It's bigger than our other garden, isn't it?
You wouldn't even have a garden really at the other place.
So it's nice to enjoy summer and actually have a garden.
And sit outside and sunbathe and just chill and have barbecues and stuff. That's what we're really excited about.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that is the house. So we really hope that you're going to enjoy coming along on this journey with us. It's going to be so exciting. We're going to have so many moving vlogs,
Yeah.
you know, home vlogs and stuff like that, because we know you guys enjoy them. And yeah, we definitely are going to make this a home because we are looking to live here for a long time, aren't we? So
It's
yeah,
so
I'm
nice.
excited.
I'm
so
excited. Yeah, we're all really happy and really
Yeah.
excited. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments down below of any other videos that you want us to do to tie into, you know, moving and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you in our next video.
Thanks for watching. Bye.